Have you ever wondered why the zodiac signs hold such a profound significance in our lives? The 12 signs of the zodiac, each represented by unique symbols and linked to specific periods of the year, are more than just horoscope fodder. They are a part of a grand cosmic narrative that has intrigued mankind for millennia. From ancient Babylon to modern day, the zodiac has been a source of universal curiosity and wonder. Its symbols and meanings have permeated our cultures, influencing our art, literature, and even our daily routines. These celestial emblems have become pillars of identity for many, shaping perceptions of personality, destiny, and relationships. The zodiac signs, it might seem, are not merely in the stars but in ourselves. But what are the origins of these zodiac signs? How did they come to be? And why do they wield such influence over our lives? And perhaps most intriguingly, how do these zodiac signs relate to constellations? Those beautiful patterns of stars that have guided sailors, inspired poets, and fueled scientific discovery. These are the questions that we'll explore in this journey into the enigma of the zodiac. We'll trace its origins back to the dawn of civilization, when ancient astrologers first observed the celestial sphere. We'll explore the role of the Greeks, who gave us the zodiac as we know it today, assigning each sign a symbol, a ruling planet, and a mythical story. We'll delve into the science of constellations, understanding how these celestial formations relate to the zodiac and the implications it has for our understanding of the universe. And finally, we'll look at how zodiac signs are interpreted and used in today's world, revealing their enduring significance in our modern lives. Our journey will be guided by a wealth of proven facts, drawing from the realms of history, mythology, astronomy, and psychology. We'll uncover truths that are as fascinating as they are profound, shedding light on a topic that has captivated human curiosity for ages. So, strap in as we delve into the fascinating world of zodiac signs. To understand the zodiac, we must travel back in time to the cradle of civilization. It was in the ancient city of Babylon, a place of great intellect and culture where the zodiac signs were first conceived. This intriguing journey begins around the 2nd millennium BC, when Babylonian astrologers started to observe the heavens with keen interest. The Babylonians, much like us today, were fascinated by the stars. They were the first to recognize that celestial events, such as the movement of the planets, were cyclical and predictable. This led them to create a system of celestial omens, which they believed had a profound influence on terrestrial events. The Babylonians saw the heavens as a cosmic clock, the hands of which could foretell the future. They divided the ecliptic, the apparent path of the sun across the celestial sphere, into 12 equal parts. These segments, or signs, corresponded to the 12 lunar cycles within a solar year. Each sign was represented by a specific constellation, thus forming the earliest known zodiac. The Babylonians imbued each sign with mythological significance, drawing from their rich pantheon of gods and legends. They observed the movement of the planets through these signs, and interpreted these celestial ballets as messages from the gods. Their skilled astrologers could read the heavens and predict future events, such as the outcome of a battle or the success of a harvest. Over time, this Babylonian system of astrology spread across the ancient world, taking root in cultures from Greece to India. The zodiac became a universal language, a shared celestial map that guided humanity in its quest to understand the universe and its place within it. Thus began the journey of the zodiac from the ancient lands of Babylon. From these early beginnings, the zodiac has evolved and endured, its symbols and meanings resonating across cultures and millennia. Today, they continue to captivate us, serving as a testament to our enduring fascination with the stars and our place in the cosmos. As the zodiac system traveled across continents, it found a new home in the intellectual capital of the ancient world, Greece. Here, in the cradle of Western civilization, the zodiac system underwent significant refinement and expansion. The Greeks were renowned for their intellectual curiosity and their penchant for exploration. They adopted the Babylonian zodiac, but they didn't simply absorb it as it was. They reimagined it, refining and expanding upon the system, and introduced the concept of horoscopos, the ascendant sign at the hour of birth. This played a crucial role in individualizing the zodiac, making it a personal experience, rather than a broad societal one. Among the Greek scholars who contributed to the evolution of the zodiac, Ptolemy stands out as a significant figure. His work, the Tetrabiblos, is still considered a foundational text in astrology. Ptolemy's meticulous observations and detailed records helped to solidify the 12-sign zodiac system that we are familiar with today. It's fascinating to note that the Greeks didn't just adopt the zodiac system for its astronomical significance, they also incorporated it into their mythology. Each constellation associated with the zodiac signs has a story in Greek mythology, adding a layer of narrative and meaning to each sign. For instance, the constellation of Leo, associated with the zodiac sign of the same name, is related to the Nemean lion, a monstrous beast slain by the hero Heracles. This mythological connection imbued the sign with connotations of bravery, strength, and heroic deeds. So, while the zodiac system may have originated in Babylon, it was the Greeks who gave it the form and the depth that we recognize today. They integrated it into their culture, their mythology, and their intellectual pursuits, transforming it from a simple system of measurement into a rich, multifaceted tool for understanding the cosmos and our place within it. With the Greeks, the zodiac system evolved, becoming a cornerstone of astrology. But what ties the zodiac signs to the cosmos? The answer lies in the constellations. Constellations, those intricate patterns of stars sprinkled across the night sky, hold a significant place in the zodiac's narrative. Each zodiac sign, as we know it, corresponds to a specific constellation. But how does this relationship come into play? Let's start with a basic understanding of what a constellation is: a group of stars that form a recognizable pattern. These patterns, seen from our perspective here on Earth, have served as celestial maps for centuries. Now let's turn our gaze to the ecliptic, the sun's apparent path across the sky. This path creates a celestial highway of sorts, and along this highway we find the constellations of the zodiac. These 12 constellations, known as the zodiac belt, are where the sun, moon, and planets appear to travel from our earthly viewpoint. Each zodiac sign is linked to a particular constellation that the sun passes through at specific times of the year. For instance, when the sun appears to move through the constellation of Aries, it's the astrological period of Aries. The same applies to all 12 zodiac signs, from the ambitious Capricorn to the passionate Scorpio. But it's not just a matter of the sun's position. The constellations themselves hold rich narratives that echo the traits assigned to their corresponding zodiac signs. The constellation Leo, for example, represents a lion in Greek mythology, mirroring the brave and dominant characteristics associated with the Leo zodiac sign. So, in essence, the zodiac signs are a reflection of the constellations and the sun's annual journey. They serve as a celestial mirror, reflecting the cosmos onto the canvas of our lives. They tell a story of the stars, a story that has intrigued, guided, and inspired humanity for thousands of years. Indeed, the stars above mirror the zodiac signs, connecting us to the cosmos. Fast forward to the present day, the zodiac signs have become an integral part of popular culture. They have transcended their ancient roots, evolving into a fascinating blend of science, spirituality, and psychology that captivates millions around the globe. But what role do these celestial symbols play in today's society? Well, in a nutshell, they've become a popular framework for understanding personality traits. Just as one might refer to themselves as an introvert or an extrovert, many now identify as a Leo or a Pisces, a Gemini or a Capricorn. Each sign, according to popular belief, carries with it a distinct set of characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses that can help individuals better understand their own identities. And it's not just about introspection. The zodiac has also found its way into our relationships. It's not uncommon to hear someone say, "We're a perfect match, she's a Taurus and I'm a Virgo," or "Our signs are incompatible, he's a Scorpio and I'm an Aries." Whether one subscribes to these ideas or not, there's no denying that they've become a significant part of modern dating and relationships. The influence of the zodiac doesn't stop at personal relationships, though. Some people believe that their astrological sign can also guide their career choices. Aries, with their natural leadership qualities, might be drawn to roles that allow them to take charge, while Libra, known for their diplomatic skills, might excel in positions that require negotiation or mediation. Likewise, a creative Pisces might thrive in an artistic field, while a detail-oriented Virgo might be well suited for a role in data analysis. Of course, it's important to remember that these are merely interpretations, and not everyone who shares a zodiac sign will share the same traits or life paths. But in a world obsessed with understanding oneself and others, the zodiac signs offer a unique lens. They provide a way to explore our identities, our relationships, and our ambitions, all under the vast and mysterious canopy of the cosmos. So, we've journeyed through time, explored the cosmos, and dived into the essence of the zodiac signs. Let's take a moment to reflect on our voyage. We've unearthed the roots of the zodiac signs, tracing their birth back to the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia. Over millennia, these signs have evolved, absorbing influences from diverse cultures, notably the Greeks. Today they form a wheel of 12 signs, each representing a unique constellation in the sky. The zodiac's relationship with constellations is a tale as old as time itself. The zodiac signs are more than just symbols. They are a celestial map of the sky. Each sign corresponds to a constellation that the sun passes through during its yearly journey. This celestial dance is the essence of the zodiac, a cosmic ballet, beautifully choreographed by the forces of the universe. Oh, but the zodiac is more than a star-studded spectacle. It has seeped into the fabric of our societies, influencing our personalities, relationships, and destinies, if you believe in such things, of course. The zodiac signs have become a language of self-expression, a tool for introspection, and a compass guiding us through the labyrinth of life. From Aries' fiery spirit to Pisces' dreamy depths, each zodiac sign paints a vivid portrait of human nature in all its complexity. They offer a mirror to our souls, reflecting our strengths, weaknesses, aspirations, and fears. They remind us that we are all stardust, bound by the cosmic laws of the universe. In the grand tapestry of human history, the zodiac has been a constant thread, weaving together tales of love, war, hope, and despair. It has shaped our myths, our arts, our sciences, and our philosophies. It has sparked debates, inspired dreams, and fueled passions. Whether you believe in the influence of the zodiac or not, there's no denying its enduring allure and significance in our lives. As we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded that we are but tiny specks in the vast cosmic arena, yet we are connected to the universe in profound and mysterious ways.